Hello everybody, today I want to talk to you about how to use Samsung TV with our remote control. Now let me show you how I use my mobile to control my TV. Now let me show you example more less volume. Can you see that? Or more volume. Or if you want open Netflix or YouTube in apps, you can use example Twitch. Twitch is so easy and really fast, and you can use that app in your TV or in your mobile. Example, if you have Samsung TV or Hisense TV or LG TV, like me, I have LG TV. Can you see that? And I find with LG remote control. You can find different apps about your TV in your App Store or in your Android store. You can use example, if you have Hisense TV, you can use that. Okay, remote for Hisense TV or a universal control is the same, doesn't matter if you have LG or Samsung or this is another, but you can write example here, Samsung Smart TV remote control or LG remote control, doesn't matter. Okay, you can find different apps always. Now this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day. See you later.